Hey, little math wizards. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, where the world of numbers becomes a fantastic adventure. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the enchanting realm of number bases. Get ready for some mind-blowing discoveries that will make math your new favorite playground. So, what's the buzz about number bases? Think of them as the different languages numbers speak. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of two special bases, the friendly base 10 and the magical base 5. All right, let's rewind a bit. Imagine you have a treasure chest filled with colorful gems. Each gem represents a different number base. Our everyday math uses the base 10 system, also known as the decimal system. But guess what? There are other systems too. Let's explore. Let's start with base 10, the numbers we use every day. It's like counting on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers, and that's why it's called base 10. Now, imagine a world where we only have 5 fingers. That's the whimsical world of base 5. We'd count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'd start again from 1. It's like having a hand full of magical counting powers. Welcome to base 5 land. But how do we write numbers on these bases? In base 10, we use digits 0 to 9. Now, let's explore base 5. Here, we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? Yep, in base 5, we use digits 0 to 4. Now, let's dive into some exciting examples. Picture this: you have 17 candles, and you want to share them equally between 3 friends. How many candles does each friend get? In base 10, to find out how many candles each friend gets, you can perform a simple division. It's 17 divided by 3, which is 5 with a remainder of 2. This means each friend gets 5 candles, and there are 2 candles left over. Now, let's represent this in base 5. In base 5, the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The total number of candles, 17 in base 10, is represented as 32 in base 5. The LCM, least common multiple, method can be used to find the base 5 representation of a number. Here's how you can apply the LCM method to convert 17 to base 5. Start with the LCM of the base, which is 5. Divide the number 17 by the number 5. This tells us that we have 3 times 5 equals 15 plus a remainder of 2. This is how in base 5 the number 17 is 32. In base 5, the digits represent powers of 5. The rightmost digit is 50, the next one to the left is 51, and so on. The rightmost digit 2 is in the 50 place. The leftmost digit 33 is in the 51 place. So, 325 is interpreted like this. Now, let's distribute these candles to 3 friends. The 3 by 51 part means each friend gets 3 groups of 5 candles, which is 15 candles in total. The 2 by 50 part is 2 candles left over. So, each friend gets 15 candles, and there are 2 candles left that cannot be evenly distributed. Now, let's hop onto our octoship and visit base 8 land. Our spaceship has 8 engines, and it's shaped like a friendly octopus. If we want to convert the number 42 from base 10 to base 8, we break it down. 42 divided by 8 is 5 with a remainder of 2. So, in base 8, 42 becomes 52. Now, let's learn how to write numbers in different bases. In base 10, we use digits from 0 to 9. But on other bases, we need more symbols. For example, in base 2, binary, we only have 0 and 1. So, the number 10 in binary is 1010. In hexadecimal, in other words in base 16, we use the digits 0 to 9 for values 0 to 9, and the letters AF for values 10 to 15. So, the number 15 in hexadecimal is represented as F. In the base 16 system, the sequence of digits and letters goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, where F corresponds to the decimal value 15. Therefore, 15 in hexadecimal is written as F. Our math adventure is almost over, but before we go, remember this: math is like a secret code. Each base unlocks a new way to express numbers. So, whether you're counting on your fingers or diving into the magical world of bases, math is a thrilling journey full of surprises. If you had a blast, and if you're excited to unlock more math mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep counting, and most importantly, keep having fun with math.